Imagine you have the following case. An item costs £200, its price increases by 20% and then decreases by 20%. What is the new price? A common conclusion here is to say that the final price is equal to the original one, in this case £200. But this is wrong. To understand why this is wrong, let's break the problem into steps. Step 1, start with 200. 20% of 200 is 40. Increasing 200 by 40 will give 240. Step 2, start with 240. 20% of 240 is 48. Decreasing 240 by 48 will give 192, which is less than what we started with. Now, how can you find the answer faster? By using the formula final equals to the initial times the multiplying factor, where the multiplying factor is equal to 100 plus or minus r over 100. R is the percentage increase or decrease. We use plus for an increase and a minus for a decrease. In our case, the multiplying factor for the increase is 100 plus 20 over 100. And as a decimal, this is 1.2. The multiplying factor for the decrease is equal to 100 minus 20 over 100. As a decimal, this is 0.8. So, to find the final value, we multiply 200 by the two multiplying factors. And this will give us £192 as before. The beauty of this formula is that you can use it to find the percentage change without knowing the initial value. Just multiply the multiplying factors and then decode the result. Like before, the multiplying factor for the increase was 1.2 and for the decrease it was 0.8. If you multiply these together, you get 0.96. Through experience, you're going to see that there's a percentage decrease of 4%. If you're not sure, you can write the decimal as a fraction with the denominator being 100. Since this is 4 less than 100, it means we have a percentage decrease of 4%. You can even take the 0.96 and equate it to this expression and solve for r. With enough practice and the use of a calculator, you'll be able to find the answer in a few seconds. Now, imagine we replace 20% with r%. Can you find an expression in terms of r for the percentage change? If you can, then let us know down in the comments. If you want to learn more about the formula we're using, then check out this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.